Hi, I'm Matteo, Product and Service Design Manager in SECO, and here with me we have our Clea EV charging kit, which basically provides the electronic component, hardware and software, to manage an entire fleet of EV charging station. Well, hardware-wise, we have a camera, a 10-inch touchscreen TFT LCD, our Car4 payment solution, and we also have a 32-inch display made for advertisement and digital signage. Well, basically the camera detects the person that's standing in front of the EV charger and detects the mood and suggests the right advertising for the person that's standing in front of the camera. Plus, of course, all the data are analyzed by an AI model deployed on the edge using our Halley Smart module, which is an Intel Atom X6000. Plus, of course, we have an inverter, this 200 kilowatt inverter by our partner Imagen, and the whole solution hardware-wise is standard ready for ISO 15118 and OCPP protocols. Software-wise, we have a set of applications that we specifically built for this kit. Then here you can see all these apps. The main one is the dashboard one that basically allows you to check the total revenues, the electricity cost, and the device status, plus the location. Then we are moving on to the specific apps like the digital signage one, which allows to detect the audience analysis of the person standing in front of the EV charger and all these advertising that are passing through and the performances that they had throughout the day, the week, or the month. Then we have the maintenance and support, which basically allows you to detect if the pump is getting overheating and not going to fault. Plus, of course, the digital supply, the cost, and the efficiency of the entire solution. Then we have the revenue and price app, which allows the owner to check the total revenue, the profit, the electricity cost, allows you to create a promotion based on the forecasting of what happened during the past months or weeks, allows you to create your own prices, and last but not least, we have car and plate recognition app that detects the car that's in front of the EV charging, detects the license plate, and allows the owner to get a warning and contact the car owner or to contact law enforcement to get the car removed if they stayed over the charging period.